This evening we had nearly 100 people at a hybrid event to launch the Clean Air Justice Network. We had local people, we had regional activists, we also had some national supporters including the Mayor of London, we've had academics, we've had health folk, we've had decision makers, we've had politicians from across the political spectrum and activists from right across Birmingham come together to talk about why clean air in Birmingham is so important and why we need to do more to ensure that every child growing up in our city grows up with breathing clean air, safe levels of air, and how we can tackle the inequalities that still exist in our city where unfortunately communities and particularly our children are growing up suffering from asthma, suffering from other lung-related illnesses that are caused by pollution here in Birmingham.
I'm really pleased that Birmingham is starting 2023 with a bang and launching this important Clean Air Justice Network. The introduction of the Clean Air Zone, spearheaded by Wasim as the city's cabinet member for transport and environment, showed political courage.
Whoever you are, you're breathing toxic air if you're in the city of Birmingham. That isn't fairly shared at the moment. Some people breathe a lot more dangerous chemicals in their air than other people. But wherever you are, whether you work in the city, whether you live in the city, the quality of the air at the moment is shortening your life. It's affecting your ability to enjoy daily living. It changes what you'll be able to do in the future. And so actually taking the right action to improve the air in Birmingham actually benefits all of us.
We do work trying to tackle the inequalities, particularly health inequalities, in the city and beyond nationally. And something as unseen as air quality is really important. We understand that there's an apartheid issue with air quality, that those who are from the most deprived communities, those who are from BAME and other cultures are most likely to be living in the areas with the least good air quality. It's really important that we come together, we raise this as an issue, and we start looking at what the solutions are collectively with people in their communities.
So we want policies that are going to take the most polluting cars off our roads, that introduce better, more efficient, greener public transport, and that also means that we've got less pollutants that are being pumped out into the atmosphere, particularly where people live and work and play.
What we're trying to do is create cleaner air in all our neighbourhoods across the city and make it a healthy place for children to grow up in and for all of us to live healthier lives.
It's one of those sort of things that you can sort of say get stumbled by politics, but environmental sustainability is good for all of us, and that's where politics needs to be put aside.
Pollution is damaging people's health. It is actually leading to premature deaths, and it is inflicting real severe damage on our young people and children. That is not the legacy that we should be leaving to the next generation and generations thereafter. And that is our responsibility to take forward progressive policies that wean us off our car addiction, encourage us to walk and cycle and to enjoy the open air and parks of the city so as we can actually all become healthier and fitter and live much more fruitful lives.